Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Sonoff devices using Tasmota OTA beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Sonoff device is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, make sure you have Tasmota already installed on your Sonoff device. Open a web browser and enter the IP address of your Sonoff device in the address bar. This will take you to the Tasmota web interface. In the menu, locate and click on the Firmware Upgrade option. You will see a section labeled File Upload. Here, you need to choose the new firmware file for your device. Download the latest Tasmota firmware from the official Tasmota GitHub repository if you haven't already. Once downloaded, click the Choose File button in the Tasmota interface. Navigate to the location where you saved the firmware file and select it. After selecting the file, click the Start Upgrade button. The upgrade process will begin and may take a few moments. You will see a progress bar that indicates the status of the upload. Do not navigate away from the page during the upgrade process. Once the upgrade is complete, your device will automatically reboot. After the reboot, reconnect to your Sonoff device using its IP address. Check the new version number displayed in the Tasmota web interface to confirm the update. If the version matches the latest firmware, your update was successful. Finally, reconfigure any settings that may have been reset during the update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.